Hello everybody, welcome to the pre-market trade of the day. Today we had the German DAX for the pre-market trade of the day. I hoped for a bigger correction after this up move here, but it was not a really correction today what we got. This was the sell zone I marked for you, and you can see indeed we got here a reaction here on the market. For myself, I had no trade on this area. On the H1 time frame, there was no price action really to see. You can see then it was going down here. Maybe you jumped in here after it began to go down, then you did all correct. I did not. I took it not. I did not like the price action I saw here. And if you look on the M15 time frame, this yellow line is the order block line here. I marked it for you. This is the red line that you know where we are. And you can see there was one possibility. This was this here. This pin bar touched our order block here. And then normally I place here my entry below this pin bar, but then with the next candle it was going higher and higher, so it did not trigger here, and I then deleted this pending order after this candle, so I did not got any trade here. The next pin bar on the M15 time frame was this here, but it was above our order block. In case you took it, it was totally okay. You did get here a trade, but for me it was too high over the order block. And then we had this little not very nice pin bar here. It cut it through the order block, and a really tiny body, but not a really nice wick here. If you took this, you did also correct and did make money here. I had no trade on this pair, so I official counted with 0 pips. If you made pips with the pair today or with the index today, congratulations. You see we had here the reaction exactly on this blue zone, but it was not that nice reaction I hoped for. I hoped for a clearer price action and a deeper down move then. So maybe you made money with it. Nothing for me today on the pre-market trade of the day. And what you got if you use more than one pair, you know, on the pre-market trade of the day, I show you only one pair every day, that you can see how I use the order blocks, and to give you a free analyze you can use for your own trading. But of course, normally if you are familiar with the method, with the order blocks method, then you would trade more pairs like Victor with his multiplier method. And you can see again he made here today nice profit on his trades. Again over 100 euro today. Yesterday it was below, now he is back to over 100. What is his normal volume or money he makes? So again, a good result here on his account. And here's the new pre-market trade of the day. I decided the pound CAD for today. And you can see we had today more or less a sideways move. Even the traders don't know at the moment what to do with the pound after all this confusing Brexit votings in UK. Maybe we get today again some movements in this pair. You can see that trend lines are not really helpful. We have here the cut with this double order block. The strong and the normal order block, sell order blocks, are very close together here. And if I make the chart a little bit smaller, we can see that we have here resistance area 2. You can see like around here. You can see here price bounced, then again here bounced. Here it was resistance, then it bounced here again, it bounced here again. Again here it was resistance. So, and now this could act again as resistance. and we have here this trend line cut on the same area. So I would watch for this area for a price action. I would use the complete zone here, because this resistance, you can see we have here minor resistance 2. So I would use here the complete zone for price action to go into a sell trade. And I would use this here too until the bank sell level around for a possible sell. If you look here, you can see we came then above this last this market structure here. Here could be placed above stop losses from these traders who are in this down move. So I would here look for price action 2 at this area. Maybe that here the market makers want to come to catch some stop losses here. These are the 2 sell areas. For the buy areas, I would go deeper. We have here painted from the Hypnotic software strong H4 demand zone, where we expect on demand zones that price gives a buy reaction, and on the same place roundabout we have the strong buy order block, and behind the strong buy order block. So I would use here from this first order block to this demand zone as a price action zone, where we look for price action in case that the price comes that far down on this day for a potential buy trade. These are the 3 zones I want to watch on this pair. Maybe we get some trade today with the pound, we will see. And I wish you a nice and happy trading day.